Hello friends, good evening. My name is Vaishnavi. Today we'll discuss the editorial page of Hindu paper and today's topic is lapsing into contempt. Finding Prashant Bhushan guilty of contempt reflects the low threshold of criticism. Means Prashant Bhushan uh, guilty because of some means some he got some means he got some criticism, so he felt guilt. The Supreme Court order finding advocate Prashant Bhushan guilty of contempt of court reflects poorly on the uh, institution's tolerance of criticism. Means the Supreme Court ordered means the Supreme Court order finding advocate Prashant Bhushan guilty. Means the Supreme Court has found that Prashant Bhushan was feeling guilty of contempt of country, that was reflecting him poorly. Means it was reflecting him so badly, so he's feeling so guilty for that. The judgment of the three judge three judge bench on the smooth contempt proceeding against Mr. Bhushan hardly adds to the distinct and majesty of the court that is uh, ostently sets out the uphold. Means he is the judgment of three judges. Contempt means the judgment of those three judges was against Mr. Bhushan because he did some means he has given wrong statements for some people and he has given a wrong statement for public. So the court has in the court the three judges were against Mr. Bhushan. It is it is unfortunate that two tensible sets out to uphold. It is unfortunate that two twists and now any set of scandalous and scurrilous allegations have occasioned this heavy-handed treatment. Means they were treating Mr. Bhushan, means he has done a mistake, so the judgment was against him, so because he did a wrong thing, that giving a wrong statement for public. In the 108 page opinion that largely draws up upon past judgments, delineating the criticism in which the court will act aid in aid of its insultation, reputation and authority, there is a little more than the pre-functionary analysis leading to the finding that the twists among two criminal contempt. Means the court will act in a aid, the court has acted in a aid way, and he felt so guilty for his mistake. The first for this there are two twists. The first twist is which an image of the chief justice of India, S.A. Bobde, in an informal setting has been used to make a critical remark that he was denying citizen recourse to justice for fundamental rights violation may be an exaggerated or even unwa- unwanted view on the absence of physical hearing. Now means he has behaved somewhat rudely towards the chief justice of India. So this is the first this was the first mistake by him. And but means he said, he has said some statements, right? So he said them in a rude way without the absence of physical hearing, means normal hearing. However, it is quite a stretch to say that it undermines the court's dignity, lowers its authority to interference with the admiration of justice. Means the court means the court has admired of justice, means it has he the court is opponent for him, means the court has against means the court has some proof against him, so the court can prove that he has done a mistake. At best, it touches partially on the CJI's personal conduct and partially on his administration decision making. Means his administration, the Mr. Prashant Bhushan's administration was personal administration on CJI's personal means he has conducted a CJI's personal conduct and partially on his administration, means he has done a meeting with CJI's personally. Neither part brings with it exceptional malice of security wanted action for criminal contempt, means it is saying that they should take action against him as he did a mistake. There is some inadvertent irony in the court claim that allow Mr. Bhushan's remarks to go unpunished would lower the country's image in the Committee of Nation. Means the court is saying that to leave means to they are accepting, means they are not punishing him because of this the country's image would damage. So they are his remarks were being unpunished. There is the highest the highest court build its Stowell frame on stellar judgments and record of fear less independence, means he has less independence, and the judge means he depends on others. So the court has given some judgments to leave him because of giving punishment for him, the image of country may damage, so they are not punishing him for his mistakes. Now we will discuss some meanings. Contempt means disrespect. For example, disrespect means he is contempting, he is not giving respect to him, means he is contempting him, means he is not giving respect to others. Threshold means doorstep or entrance means for entrance, the way we enter a particular place. For example, we are on the threshold of a new era. Means we are on the we are on the entrance of the new era. Majesty means royal power. Means royal power means having more power. Means having some separate means he's having some powerful powerful, he has some power with him. So with that power he can do anything. For example, this music has majesty, power, and passion. Means that music has a power. Means it has some power for hearing. Scurrilous means abusive or derogatory. For example, the article made scurrilous remarks on the actor. It has made big mistakes on that. Means it has given some wrong statements on the actor. Malik means ill will or desire to harm someone. Means wish to harm someone. Means for example, there certainly wasn't any malice in her comments. Means they are not trying to harm her. Personages means VIP or celebrity. The important person is called VIP, right? So for example, he is a personages, means he is a VIP for this function. Intent means intention or purpose or determine. Means resolving it. Means we solved it but we didn't get a perfect answer. Again we resolve, means we'll get a perfect answer, right? Like that. For example, it was not his intent to hurt him. Means it is not his intention to hurt him. Abrasive means capable or polishing or cleaning a hard surface. Cleaning a hard surface, like if the for example, he can sometimes be abrasive in meetings. Means he can solve the hard things in any meeting. Means he can be so if we are active in meeting, we can solve the problems, right? Like that. Discoordinate, discouraging or encourages at odds. Means discouraging means not encouraging but they are discouraging them. For example, discordant opinions prevail even among good judges. Means some discouraging judgments are given by the judge. Stellar means relating to the stars or high standards. Next, foreground means front means in front of us. Example, his speech was foreground the history of the decision. Means his speech have some important points. Glancing means shock or excite into taking action, or impel means he is excited to take that decision. Pulpit means platform in a church or stand. So these are the meanings from our topic. Thank you.